The surgeon's knot. The surgeon's knot is used to connect two pieces of line, such as adding tippet to your main leader. Take your main line and the line you're going to connect to it and place both of them in the channel of the tail. Overlap the lines 6 to 8 inches. Depending on the pound test you're using, wrap both lines 3 to 4 times in a downward spiral around the tail. Place your finger on the back of the wraps to hold them in place. Run both lines up through the tunnel of wraps. Grab both lines you ran up the tunnel of wraps and also the opposing 2 lines. Pull the lines away from each other slowly to form the knot. Once the knot is formed, pull the lines tight. Trim both tag ends in the mouth of the Tailknott'r. The finished surgeon's knot. The finished surgeon's loop.